Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Now, this is a problem related to perimeter, but in this case you don't have to find the perimeter, but you have to find the sides of that particular square. So if the perimeter of the given square is 20 meter, so if the perimeter, let's denote it by P, is 20 meter of a given square. Now we know that for a given square, if the side is a meter, if this is a square, then the perimeter will be what? 4 times a, right? In this case, the perimeter is 20 meter. So let's suppose that the square has the length of side what? A meter, that is 4 times a, and this is equal to what? 20. 4 times a is equal to 20 because this is given to us. Now, since the perimeter is what? The sum of all the sides. In case of square, it's sum of 4 sides and all the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal and the perimeter is 20 meter, if I divide this 20 by 4, why? Because the sum of the sides, that is a plus a plus a plus a, is equal to 20. That is 4 times a is equal to 20. So if this is the distance for 4 sides, what will be the distance or the length for one side? Of course, if I divide it by 4, so 20 divided by 4, and if you solve it, 20 divided by 4 will be 4 times 5 is 20, and this kind. So the answer is 5. That is 5 meter is the side of this square, and you can cross check it. 4 times 5 will be what? 20 meter.